What's up? What's up, y'all? It's Evan.
I'll give you money.
We are in Dallas. We are in. We are in Dallas, Texas. We are in Dallas, Texas right now. So, as y'all can hear, rain. So, like, look at the rain.
No, that's when you do this. Look, that's when you flip the camera over. See what I'm saying?
Yeah, I know, but I can't.
Yeah,
I can't.
Why not?
I don't even know.
Flip around. Yeah, you can do it again. See it. You can pause it.
See, look. So, y'all, our lights was going out and all that.
And your mama was going out too.
So I was making TikTok videos, being on Instagram Live, and couldn't upload. Our Wi-Fi is out. So I'm making a video now. Like, look at this. So right now, people are saying that the wind right now goes 63 miles per hour right now. It's going 63 miles per hour. They say it's a tornado in another part of Dallas. We're in Dallas right now. Oh, we don't get tornadoed, or we just don't hear the siren. And I thought that tree fell over. I was about to say. So like, so y'all didn't just see that reflection on me. Okay, so it's a story. It was raining, and then one time our tree fell on our house. Like, it fell on her. Y'all, me and my sister, we all terrified.
No, we're not.
Our lights going out.
You are. Show the camera.
Like, that's what it's doing right now. That is too crazy. That is too crazy, bro. What is wind? That is. Hey, y'all. Look at our grill right now. Look at our grill.
Bro, it's so
Bro,
white.
why is our grill like that?
Why is it so white?
Why is it so white?
Y'all got bad news. The chimney had blown.
For real?
For real, the chimney had blown. It's like,
Oh, no. Look at. Yo, it's getting foggy out. So y'all, bro, just wish us luck. Wish us luck. So I cannot upload this video till the rain stops, because the wind and the rain are like working together like they DT gnomes and they whooping.
So the chimney is broken. Look, the chimney. Pause our camera. Look. The chimney.
Okay, I ran.
Like this one.
Yeah, it is getting so great.
This is crazy.
I think this is the most
Hey, God.
ooh.
No, it's fine.
I think this is the most. Wait, yeah. We can say this is the most baddest rain.
Camera. It is so wet.
Why is it so great? It is so great. That's what you get. Daddy stuff. All right. I see gas in the air. Wait, we should get in? Bro. If y'all hear it, bro. Like, I see gas in the air. Like, y'all know like the rain. So let me tell you, the clouds or something, like the sun sucks all the water up. And then when the clouds turn gray or black, all the water falls out and boom, comes to rain, bro. I mean, if you're in Dallas right now, I feel bad for you.
Even join this.
I feel bad for you if you're in Dallas right now.
Not for real.
Like, we're in Dallas.